Hello everyone, welcome back to the Essential SQL series. Today we are going to learn about cross join. What the cross join does is it returns the Cartesian product of the sets of records from two or more joined tables, which means for each row in first table it returns all the rows from the second table. So for example, let's say table 1 has 10 rows and table 2 has 5 rows. The output would be 50 rows, which is 10 multiplied by 5. Let's take a look at the syntax. The syntax is very simple. Select a dot column name comma b dot column name from table 1a cross join table 2b. Let's take a look at this in practice. So for each media type I want to know how many honors can be applied. So basically it is used for sampling where you can do one to many mapping. So for each media type how many honors can be applied. So the statement here is very simple. Select media type dot name the honor type name from media types cross join honors. So as we can see it is 125 rows. We know there are 5 media types and 25 honors, so it is simply 5 multiplied by 25, which is 125 rows. For each media type you can see all the honors being repeated. That's it for this video. Keep learning. Thank you.